Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to connect this Ethernet board at your home. It's very easy and simple. You can do it at your home by yourself. So let's start. First thing, connect this socket on the wall. So connect this socket on the wall and then get the wires and use the stipper to remove the outer cable of your wire. So untwist all the cable and cut this unnecessary plastic things. So untwist all the cable. There are 4 pairs of cables. So untwist all those cables. Once you untwist the cables, so try to make them straight as much as you can. Now you need an Ethernet board, so it is easily available on any of the electronic stores. Here you can see the A and B category. So here I'm in Australia, so I'll be following the A category. So if you are in Asian country, please follow the B category and put these cables accordingly. So once you untwist all these cables, so put these cables accordingly. So here I'm following A category. So first is brown, white brown, and then you can see green and white green. So we can punch it down with this tool as well. You can get this one with the set when you buy this board. And the another side is blue. So blue will go here, and another one is white blue, and then it is orange, white orange, and then orange. So once you connect all these things, please punch this down with the help of this tool. And so please double check the connection. Make sure all these cables are punched down, and then you can use a cutter to cut this extra from the cables. So I can cut them off. Try to cut them from the bottom so that it will be smooth, and then all good. And then you can put this cover on. So now it's time to connect these things back to this board. Use your impact gun. Otherwise, you don't have to use your impact gun. You can use a normal screwdriver, clip head. You just wanna do it smoothly. And then you can use another one. Now close the bracket, and it's time to check. So let's check. I will connect this one pass list to this board and then another to my laptop. So now, yeah, it's connecting. You can see the connector sign here. Now it's working. So guys, you can easily do this at your home. So that's how simple it is to connect this Ethernet board. All you need is this Ethernet board and this wire stripper. So you don't have to buy this separately. This will come along with this package. So next time, if you got a problem on this Ethernet board, then don't rush to call a technician. Save your money, buy these things, and do it by yourself. So it's very simple. See you in the next video. Thank you.